Whoa guys, I'm back. And look at that. I have a little pinstripe going on right there. And if you can tell, that's some real carbon fiber. Now you might be asking, hey, it looks very similar. But trust me, when you sit in this car and you notice the reflections, the depth, it's like holographic. It looks really nice. It's a nice piece for sure. Can you see the weave and like the holographics? Now it's glossy like the original, but it's not distracting. So it's so minute that I think a lot of people are gonna like this. Now what are the things I hated about this interior is I have the original piece right here. I actually have two of them, that's why. This one you just tape right over, but look at this. So you notice a finish on something like this. Whoa, that's terrible. Can you guys see? Wow, it looks so ugly. To the untrained eye, you might not notice, but it doesn't shift its color or anything like that. It just remains one solid color the whole time. Now the carbon fiber one on the top, the real one, depending on how light hits it, and there's just a lot of depth to it, and it just looks incredible. Now, again, look at this right here. Not that inspiring. And then I have a piece like this that also kind of shows the finish. If you guys remember how that looks like right here, it's just kind of hydro dipped. If you guys have an STI, again, just like this fake kind of texture. It's just paint, literally just paint in this pattern. No weaves, no the three-dimensional kind of look. Sup, shy guy? If you guys were looking to buy something, I actually found the cheapest place to get something like this. It's actually a pretty good price for what you get, and it really does transform the interior. So going from this fake kind of look right here with no weave or anything to something like this, it just really elevates your interior. Now when I look, and even my passengers, some of them really do notice, like WRX owners, because it does look so subtle, like it just like flows so well with the car. If you guys were looking for the pinstripe on the bottom that I added just to give it that, you know, just that little touch to match with the interior with the little red accents, because you know the WRX. I'll link the description below on where you can get the carbon fiber piece and basically the little pinstripe I did. So this is a really good comparison I can show you. So outside you can see how this is a hydro dip on the bottom. It's basically painted in a way where it has silver black, kind of like a checkerboard pattern, where when you see something like this, you can actually see the weaves into it. So it's actually weaved in carbon fiber weave. And this is kind of like when you're driving around, you'll actually see this kind of basically depth into it, and it really stands out. So in a good way, where you're just like, wow, that's a nice part. It's just a good looking part. And the weaves, I seen some cheap weaves, like fake stuff that don't look like this. They try to make it look like carbon fiber look, which is this is what it's trying to do. And you can tell, do you want real carbon fiber, or you want something that's from the factory, OEM, looks like fake? I don't know. Anyways guys, that wraps it up. Thank you guys for watching. Again, links below, and on where you can get the pinstripe, and also where you can get the part. It's well worth it. Peace.